Asante Kotoko supporters chairman Alexander Menu a confirm data Kotoko replica jerseys for the supporters no eba the market na supporters no enye Kotoko supporters nko but football fans nyina na jersey we eba for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Say over the history of the club mama for ka say jersey we it is one of the most improved jerseys at Kotoko who especially with THB this season jersey no unfortunately say the difference between we and the last season there no a wide big just say any one ho pa obia twen say ebeba dwa so na wagene de ahye cool corner na jersey no according to Alexander Menu the Ashanti Regional Circles chairman ewo Kesben FM so no o chese jersey ne beba abonten next month October early October yes sana okodi tudwa ewo abra o make appearance ewo Kesben FM so o say early October na according to information I so me gada ne say jersey ne de beba na price a metete de seniors enuntina some of us here call it for grading system ne say nka jersey ne ba no anka o matwa grade A grade B grade C sene ye be ya de metete no ekogina ho a enye obia ne betimato ye Kotoko supporters o mu sika o betimato but price na metete no price ano emu edu kakra yes from unconfirmed source unofficial source no HM say it is going to be between 300 cedis to 350 cedis 300 cedis to 350 cedis na mete Asante Kotoko replica jerseys for supporters and football fans will be out on the market early next month October 2024. Supporters chairman Ashanti Region Alexander Menu on Kesben FM enone nsema okode tudwa enti we de Kotoko company for jersey no yet tete se ebeba price ne betima 300 and 350 yesi e bi kra de wan ha bedru 400 TH before wait me o makasa no ma grade jersey na mai ni enya high quality low quality middle quality at least uniska de beto high quality na obetima ju low quality na chese wo nso we hyew na obi ehu se wo ye Kotoko ni obi obetima to high quality ama obi opeso to low quality ma obi nso obetima to low quality ama no because this is mienu 6 million titiska no ebe den obi wo top so to bi ma obi nti nya grading system na I think say ebe bo ama jersey na ko